3 minutes is all it takes to get the best settings for your Kick OBS stream. Let's look at a simple way and a bit more complicated way to do this. And the simple way to guarantee this is to click Profile at the top, click on New, and we're going to type in Kickstream or something like that. And we will run the auto config wizard. We will optimize this for streaming, and the base canvas is 1920 by 1080. The FPS is 60. We will change the service to custom, and we will head to the Kick website, click on our profile picture, into the dashboard, settings, and stream key. And then we just copy the URL, and then we'll copy the stream key. So paste in URL there, and here comes the stream key into the second box. We will tick prefer hardware encoding, but we will uncheck estimate bitrate, and we will manually set the bitrate to 6000. We'll press next, and here are our decent quality settings, which OBS has chosen for us. I'll press apply settings, and then that's it. If you're not a crazy tech wizard and all you want is a decent enough looking kick stream, that's all you need. However, some people do want the recommended advanced settings, so here's what I'm going to recommend. Click on settings, click onto output, change the output mode to advanced, and let's have a look through this. And we will start with our video encoder. You do not want X264, you definitely want a hardware encoder. This will use your graphics card. The most reliable one is the H.264 encoder. There is typically only one audio encoder, so we'll move down to the encoder settings. And we'll start with rate control, just leave this on CBR. Bitrate, as you saw earlier, we set that to 6000, so let's set it back to 6000. And we set the keyframe interval to 2. With preset, you want slow for a lower end PC, slower for mid-range, and slowest for a high-end PC. Test that out to see if your PC can handle it. Leave the tuning on high quality. Multipass mode is another one where quarter resolution, I would say medium or lower power PCs, and full resolution if you're a higher spec PC. We're going to leave profile on high. We're going to leave look ahead unchecked. We're going to leave PVT checked. We can see mainly it's done a good job at giving us some good defaults. Leave GPU 0, max B frames, leave it on 2. So this is just for streaming, so we won't focus on the other settings. The default audio settings actually are usually fine. So onto the video tab, where you just want to double check you're on 60 FPS. And of course, the output scaled resolution, this dictates the quality of your stream. So the 1080 at the end indicates 1080p. If you wanted to go down to 720p, then it's 1280x720. And that would put less strain on your GPU and CPU. And those are the best OBS settings for your Kick stream. Watch this video next if you want to convert your Kick clips into short form vertical content.